Hi, welcome back to Upcycle Art Journals. This is part 2 of our book haul. I was going to say weekly, but it's probably been a good solid month. So these books have slowly been collecting on my desk, and I'm actively trying to clean up and organize and get set up. So one way to do that is, as I come across the books, make a video, get them up. Luna wants to join us today, and I decided she was fine because she gets kicked out a lot, so she can hang out for this part. So this one I bought, it's called Rebecca. It's a mystery, and I may even read it before I do anything with it, but I love the cover of this. You can see the window and the silhouette of the lady, and I thought that made just an absolutely beautiful journal cover. And Luna's messing with the other table over there. This one is another good one for the series of Victorian ladies. She is just so beautiful in there. Sweet Love's Atonement. Even the title was something I probably won't need to cover up, but it's just so pretty. Let's do the other vintage lady one. You know I can't stay away from the vintage ladies. Dora. I just got one. I think it was Lena. Dora will be similar. Just so pretty. Okay, then I have one more Alice in Wonderland that came in. I'll probably set that one aside as I have several in the shop already, so I don't need that one right now. This one, so cute. Honey Bunch. Just a little girl. What a fun cover to gift to your daughter, your granddaughter, or just for memories of being a little girl. I thought that one was neat, and I'm looking forward to making that one. I did get a Christmas one in. It's small, on the smaller side, doesn't have any kind of spine, so it will need to be built up, but that one was just too cute to pass up. Nice little vintage book. I did secure 2 more Audrey books. Those do not last in the shop, and they are so fun to make. I actually got some more printables that were called Tiffany and in those same colors, so I'm excited to get those made. And then I got these 2 magazines, Needlecraft magazine. These aren't old enough to scan. Well, just about 1926, so I actually could scan those and upload those. But as I'm doing a lot of different sewing things, these ones work perfect for just taking this really large page, folding it in half, and securing it into a journal. So I had two magazines, and I guess I hadn't realized the age on those. So 100 years old, pretty safe to scan. Oh, look at that. That is fun. So I haven't even had a chance to look through all these yet, but that will be fun to scan. I might need to get a bigger scanner for some of these things, but what a neat, just all the old stuff, and it's in English, which is nice. I do have several fashion magazines that are French that I'm gonna scan, but just being able to scan that and taking those ladies off of there, that's going to be a whole nother winter project. So we have a little bit for sewing. We have a couple little golden books, 1 Christmas to add to the collection, and Alice to tuck away for later, 2 vintage ladies to add to the collection, and just this one precious one on the top. So that was what I have found that I'm going to put away today. And let me know, which one would you want to start with if you were going to jump into one of these books. Which one would you get right on making, and what kind of papers would you add to it? Would you stick with digitals? Would you do the vintage ones? What kind of ideas start flowing? I hope you get some ideas flowing from this video, and I will see you again soon when we upcycle some more things.